Alright guys, today we're gonna work on the 2006 Nissan Altima 3.5 stick shift. That's the SER package, the AC compressor replacement. I mean, the customer was driving and said there is a smoke was coming out and the compressor stopped working. So I checked that the compressor clutch was breakdown. So to start doing that, you have to release you have to take up the tensioner pulley right here, and there is another adjustment bolt. There is another adjustment bolt right here. Okay, over there, use socket number 14. Release it and take the center bolt out with the 14 range, and right here, okay, let me show it to you. There is like 1 2 3 bolts. You can use 12 millimeter, and for this one you can use 14 millimeter. Take that out. The trick is the tensioner, the bracket for the tensioner is gonna be on the way. There is 3 bolts on that. There is 3 bolts on that right here. Okay, if you take them out, let me show it to you. If you take 2 bottom out, see, it's on the way. You cannot take the compressor out. You can take these 2 out with the 12 millimeter, and there is one on up there. Just loosen it and you can slide it back out of the way. Then the compressor will come out. Don't forget to disconnect the hoses. There is 2 bolt, long bolt like that. On the back of the compressor, use socket number 14. Take them out. Release the high side and low side. Put the gauge inside a bucket of water, just like that I did, to avoid release the freon in the air. Take the belt out and you should be good to go. And put the new compressor back in there, vacuum it out, and you can recharge that. Thank you guys for watching. God bless.